Hey guys, it's Amber and welcome to my project pan finale. So I'm going to show you how I did on the things that I've got left and we'll just jump right in. So first of all, I have already finished a Smashbox primer water, Makeup Forever concealer, a MAC Mineralized Skinfinish. That one I still have, completely gone. Now my Anastasia eyebrow, I finally hit pan. So I got a nice little dip in it and I'm going to continue using it, but I really liked putting an effort into this and getting more use out of it. So when it does eventually dry out, I won't feel bad. So you guys can see the progress there. So I was really proud of myself. I felt like I would never hit pan on it and I finally did, so yay. Next is my Jordana Easy Liner, and this, there's only a tiny bit left and it's kind of broke. So that's all, but it's broken, so it's not really much usable, so we're just gonna count that as done. My high beam, there's only like that much left versus like there's stuff stuck on the sides, but there's really about this much left. I tried putting it upside down for a while, but it seemed like whenever I opened and closed my drawers, it just fell over. So I did try to use it more, but it just got to the point where I was just like, so that is what it is, and I'm going to consider this done. All right, next is my Mary Kay primer. This was about halfway full when I started, and now there's just the littlest, tiniest bit left. So although I didn't completely finish this up, I mean, you're talking, that might be one of the last few squirts that are in there. It's pretty dang close. So I probably will just go ahead and finish it up. There's probably like 3 more uses in there, and then I'll just be done with it. So I forgot the Dermablend foundation because it doesn't match me currently, but there's about 1/4 of it left. So I did pretty good considering I couldn't use it for like half the year. And last but not least is my Rimmel Scandalized pencil. I did not get as much use out of this as I wanted to. I don't know, I just kind of got stuck on it and I don't know why. I think I just kind of forgot about it, to be honest. And so I should have used it a lot more than I did, but yeah. Actually, this is not the last item. I forgot the glasses. But yeah, so unfortunately, I'll still keep this in my collection because I think it's still fine. I wish I could have used up more of it, but it's okay. So for my glasses, I don't know what happened to my other one. I think it fell into a bag somewhere, never to be seen again. Because honestly, I looked through the 3 bags I've used recently and I can't find it. But it's pretty similar to this one as far as it's mostly used up. And although there is a little bit of color in there, this is old enough that I don't feel bad about just tossing it and being done. I really want to get use out of this because they were expensive. So it's like, yes, get some use out of it, move it along. I feel like there's a lot of sticky things in my collection that are going to start being not so great anymore. So I kind of want to use them up and move them out. So I'm glad I could get rid of those 2 and I'm just going to consider them done. So if you guys didn't know, for next year's or this year's project pan, I'm going to be doing non-cruelty free items in an effort to use them up, and that way I can just embrace using more cruelty free products. So that is where I'm going. I'm still kind of dabbling on which things I'm going to pick. Like, you know, I've got this Benetint here and I've got this L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow. There's still a few things I'm like kind of milling around in my brain to figure out what exactly I'm going to do. And so yeah, I'll be doing every other month. So I'll do a project pan update and a pan that palette update, and I'll just alternate. So that way every month I have something I'm panning and working on, but it's not going to be no video and then 2 videos in the same month. Gonna try to space it out a little more this year. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!